Hello developers! Welcome to the future. Today, we are diving deep into my video. You need to watch this full video to believe it. Let's create something amazing.
Python statistics.median_high method. In Python, median_high is a statistical method used to calculate the high median of the given data set. In this video, we will discuss the statistics.median_high method, including its syntax, parameters, return value, and examples. What is the median_high method? The statistics.median_high method in Python calculates the high median of a dataset. It first sorts the data in ascending order. If the dataset contains an odd number of values, it returns the middle value. If it contains an even number of values, it returns the higher of the two middle values. Syntax. It has the following syntax. Statistics.median_high data. Parameters. The following parameter is used by the median_high method. Data. It is a sequence of a list, tuple, or set that contains integer values, floating point values, and negative values. Return value. It returns the highest median middle value of the given data.
How would you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and share this with your friends. Leave a comment about the best part of this video.
Examples. Let's take some examples of the median_high method to better understand it. Example 1. Using the median_high method with an even or odd number of elements. In datasets, the following example demonstrates how to calculate the median high using the median_high method with datasets containing either an even or an odd number of values.
Welcome back. Today we analyze even and odd datasets. We define tuple dataset and list dataset first, followed by set and dictionary datasets. Executing the code now. Here are the median high results.
Explanation. In the above example, we imported the statistics module and created 4 datasets, tuple_dataset, and list_dataset with an even number of elements, and set_dataset and dict_dataset with an odd number of elements. We then passed these datasets to the median_high method, which returned their high median values. Example 2. Demonstrating on floating point values. The following example demonstrates how to calculate the highest median using floating point values and negative floating point values in the median_high method.
Ready to explore median high? We start by importing statistics, then define datesets with floating point values. The output shows the highest median. It works for negative values too.
Explanation. In the above example, we imported the statistics module and created 2 list datasets named dec_dataset and neg_dataset. One dataset contains positive floating point values, while the other contains negative floating point values. We then passed both datasets to the median_high method to calculate their highest median. Example 3. Demonstrating empty dataset error. The following example demonstrates that passing an empty sequence, such as an empty set or a list, to the median_high method raises an error.
Welcome back. Passing an empty sequence raises an error. Let's demonstrate this. An empty dataset raises a statistics error, as indicated here.
Explanation. In the above example, we imported the statistics module and created an empty dataset. When this dataset is passed to the median_high method, it raises a statistics error, no median for empty data. It indicates that an empty dataset is not allowed.
Don't forget to leave a comment. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. Want to stay ahead in AI? Then join our WhatsApp channel today, because we stay updated with latest tech. Just click the link below. Want to master the future? Then you need to hit subscribe right now, because we bring you the best AI content, so please like and share this video.